With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here is restorative regeneration of molluscs includes the reconstitution of, and the options are damaged eyes and eye stalks, part of head, part of foot, or all of the above. So whenever there is an injury or any kind of accident to the body of the organism from a fragment of the body, that particular body part or even complete body can regrow, right? And this property is called as regeneration, particularly epimorphosis. Epimorphosis, which is a type of regeneration of the body, right? And what happens in epimorphosis is that there is somatic stem cell proliferation and differentiation. The somatic cells that are present in the fragment of the body, right, they proliferate very rapidly into multiple cells. There is proliferation as well as differentiation of the cells so that they can form the new body part or the complete body of the organism, right? And it is most commonly seen in case of invertebrates. So here if we talk about molluscs as it is given in this question, restorative regeneration can replace the damaged eyes and eye stalks, head and foot as well. So the right answer here is option D, all of the above.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.